Damn, stimulus money's in. I know where I'm spending that. Woo. Country boy. One of everything. Does there need to be a special occasion to be a pyro? Just feeling pretty ready to let loose, you know. It's been a long couple of months. 2 teenagers at home, putting them in a field, let them fight it out, and doing something fun for me now. This has all been about the kids, and this is for me. So the special occasion is stimulus money's in, and it's about to get spent. 9mm.